Hey realtors, how would you like to be able to retire 1 year from today? That would be amazing, right? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can be able to retire in 1 year by leveraging eXp Realty. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Juan Lombana and I'm a full-time realtor, but I'm also the founder of the Agent Wealth Farm here with eXp Realty. So if you are interested, or if you just want to know how you could be able to retire in 1 year, you gotta watch this video because it's going to blow your mind. Now, before we get started with the video, make sure that you click the subscribe button, make sure that you click the bell, because I'm putting brand new content every single week that's going to help you grow your business and dominate your local market. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, so just like I mentioned, I'm gonna be talking about how to retire in 1 year, okay? By leveraging eXp Realty, okay? So what I'm going to talk about is a very basic example. I'm not going to be talking about what if, you're getting this much percentage because you're investing some of the money. Again, this is very basic stuff. Of course, there is a lot of different things that can change this, but I just wanted to give you an example and see how it is possible to retire in 1 year by leveraging eXp Realty, okay? So I know that there's gonna be some people it's like, well, if I invest this money instead of leaving it in the bank, I'm going to retire sooner or later, whatever. I understand all that. This is just a very simple example to give you a visual, okay? So if I was to talk to a financial advisor, and if I'm planning in retiring in the future, they might say that I would need between $800,000 and $1 million in my savings account to be able to pay for my living expenses while I'm retired, okay? So we will use, let's say, $900,000 for this example. Not 800, not 1 million. We're gonna sit right in the middle, okay? And again, this is just for the example. And we're gonna base this example as if we were going to be using this money for 25 years after we retired, okay? Making sense? With a 4% annual distribution, okay? Which is about $36,000 a year or $3,000 per month, okay? So we're gonna be using this as the example of what everything that I'm gonna be talking about in this video is gonna be based on, okay? So let's talk about what the average agent that's to retired, okay? So let's say that the agent, just an average, right, is making about $100,000 per year, just for easy math. I know some realtors are making less, I know some realtors are making more, okay? But for this example, we're gonna pretend that this agent makes $100,000 a year. Now, of course, we're gonna have to pay taxes. So again, this is an example. We're gonna be paying 28% taxes. And again, I know it depends where you live, what state, what province, what country. This is just an example. Let's say that you're gonna pay 28% on taxes. So that'll be $100,000 minus the $28,000 that you have to pay the government. That's going to leave you with $72,000 per year, okay? Now, for this example, let's say that your living expenses per month are $4,000, okay? So that's gonna take care of your rent, that's gonna take care of your food, and again, everything that you need to live, okay? Now, $4,000 a month times 12 months out of the year, that's going to be $48,000 per year. That's how much you have to spend to be able to live, okay? So if we go, our income, which was $72,000 minus the living expenses, which is $48,000, that's gonna leave you what's disposable, what's left over, okay? So if we go 72,000 minus 48, that's $24,000 of disposable income. That means that you can do anything you want with that money, okay? Now, because we wanna retire and that's our goal, let's say that you don't touch any of those $24,000, any of that disposable income, and save every single penny for retirement, okay? Remember, this is just an example. You can put this money into and invest it, and you're gonna make more money. I'm just saying, let's pretend that you're not touching any of that money. You're leaving it on your savings account. And of course, that's almost impossible, right? Because you're gonna need some of those $24,000, right? If you wanna go to the movies, if you want to go traveling, if you want to buy anything, you're gonna have to use money from those $24,000. But for the example, let's say that you're not touching any of those $24,000, okay? So, $900,000, which is how much we need to retire for this example, divided the $24,000 because I'm putting all my money to the savings account so I can actually retire. That means that I'm gonna have to do that for 37.5 years if I wanted to retire, okay? Which is crazy, right? Of course, this is just an example, guys. I'm gonna have people saying, but Juan, that's unrealistic. Like, I understand. This is just an example, okay? So 900,000 divided by 24,000 is gonna take the average realtor 37.5 years of savings to be able to save those $900,000 so they can retire and be able to live for 25 years after they retire, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you a different way, a better way, okay? This is how the wealthy agent retires. And of course, we're gonna be leveraging eXp Realty to accomplish this, okay? We're gonna leverage other agents' time, we're gonna leverage other agents' money, and of course, we're going to be leveraging the technology of eXp Realty, okay? So, the cool thing is this, eXp Realty gives you an opportunity to build passive income by leveraging other people's time, money, and technology by something called the revenue share. If you don't know what revenue share is, it's just the opportunity that eXp gives their agents every time that they bring a new realtor into eXp. And how it works is like this. Whenever you bring somebody to join eXp, they're going to join your team underneath you, and every time that that realtor in your team sells a home or closes a deal, you're going to be getting a percentage of that commission, okay? So that's pretty much what the revenue share is all about. Of course, there's gonna be another video in the channel. You can watch it and you can understand exactly how it works, okay? But let's continue here. With eXp, there is 7 tiers in which you can have an opportunity to earn passive income. Just like I mentioned, every time that somebody underneath you sells a home, you might be able to earn part of that commission, okay? Now, I'm not gonna be talking about the 7 layers, the 7 tiers. I'm just gonna talk about the top 2 tiers, tier number 1 and tier number 2. So this is how it works. Tier number 1 is the people that you personally bring to the company, okay? So they're gonna be underneath you on that first tier, okay? Now, if you were to bring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 agents underneath you, okay? And if each of these agents are capping agents, what a capping agent is, with eXp, we have an 80-20 split, okay? With a $16,000 cap. That means that to be a capping agent, you have to pay eXp $16,000 of your commissions and you'll be a capping agent, okay? So if you bring 6 agents underneath you and each of these is a capping agent, you're going to be earning $2,800 per year per agent, okay? So that's $2,800 from this agent, $2,800. So as you can see, it's $2,800 per agent. That would be $16,800 passive income from these 6 agents, okay? Are you guys kind of getting it? All right. Now, if each of these agents brings only 1 agent underneath them, okay? So that would be tier number 2, right? So they don't have to bring 10 agents, 5 agents, 100 agents. If each of those people that you brought personally, they bring 1 person, 1 agent underneath them, they would be going into your tier 2, okay? Now, if these agents are also capping agents, so they reach the $16,000 cap, you're going to earn $3,200 per year per agent, okay? So there's $2,800 here and $3,200 here, okay? So if we go $3,200 per each of these agents per year, that's $19,200. Now, if we add $16,800 and $19,200, as you can see, there is a total of $36,000 per year passively, okay? Now, that's the cool part. This is passively. You're not doing anything. Remember, you're getting a percentage of their commission up to $2,800 here and up to $3,200 on level 2. So you're actually getting $36,000 per year passively because you didn't physically have to go and buy homes and close deals. These agents did, and you got $36,000 per year, okay? So $36,000 per year. If I go back here, this is exactly what we need right here, okay? As you can see, $36,000 a year. So this here is super simple to do. I'm not saying you're gonna do it, but it's very doable to do, okay? Right here, all you have to do is bring 6 agents underneath you. Each of those have to bring only 1, and if they're all capping agents, you're going to make this. This is very doable. I've seen tons of people do it on their first year. So again, if you put your mind into it, you can retire and make $36,000 a year passively. Now, let's say, well, that's impossible. We cannot do this in 1 year. Okay. Can you do this in 2 years? Do you think you can bring 6 people in the next 2 years? And each of those people 1 person? Yeah, of course. Okay, let's say not 2 years. 4 years. Can you do that in 4 years? Of course, right? And as you can see, it's 4 years or 5 years, not 37.5 years. Okay? So again, this is one of the biggest opportunities that you guys have as agents to be able to retire, okay? And not only that, but you didn't have to wait 37.5 years. You can do this in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. It doesn't really matter. It's not going to take you 37.5 years. And again, this is just the beginning. Imagine if you got more people here and more people here. As you can see, this can exponentially grow really quickly. Okay, so there you have it, guys. As you can see, like, this is unbelievable. This is a great opportunity for agents that not only looking to retire sooner than later, but just to create more wealth in their business. And the best part about all this stuff, I talked about it in another video, is that all this stuff, all this passive income that you build is willable. So if for whatever reason you pass away, you can pass this passive income to your family member, to your wife, to your husband, to your kids. And of course, that's not going to go anywhere. All right, guys? So again, as you can see, I'm very passionate about this because this is a great opportunity for you guys, okay? So if you want to learn more about eXp and how eXp could change your life and your business, and I'm not exaggerating here, it will change your life. What I want you to do is just, there's gonna be a link down below. Click on the link. We'll jump on a call, 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes, doesn't really matter. I'll explain to you how eXp works and how eXp is going to change your life, guys. Again, don't let this opportunity pass by. This only happens once in a blue moon, and again, I don't want you to miss out, all right? So again, hopefully you kind of got a little bit of an idea of how to retire in 1 year with eXp, how you can get some passive income, and of course, live the life that you want, all right? But besides that, thanks for being here, and I'll talk to you on the next video.